right, getting you some major updates coming in here, viewers on Republic TV. A sleeper cell of Seeks for Justice terrorist Pannu. Now, this is a big update on that. A sleeper cell of Seeks for Justice terrorist Pannu has been arrested. And both sleeper cells arrested in Delhi. Now, this is an attempt was made to disrupt the atmosphere by writing pro-Khalistan slogans at two locations in Delhi just before Jan 26th. Delhi police arrested both accused in that case. Pannu had the Khalistan Zindabad written in Delhi by luring people with the promise of 2 lakh rupees. This entire conspiracy was hatched from Canada. A close associate of Pannu based in Canada hired Baljinder and Rohit alias Kirat to carry out this operation. The police are continuing to search for some of Pannu's other close associates. Okay, so big updates coming in. Pro-Khalistan sleeper cell has been arrested. Pro-Khalistan sleeper cell arrested. Let's go straight across to my colleague who's joining us. I'm being joined by Shivam from our Republic newsroom. A very good morning to you, Shivam. This entire conspiracy was hatched from Canada. That's what we're learning of. A close associate of the Pannu based in Canada hired Baljinder and Rohit alias Kirat to carry out some operations. The police are searching for some of Pannu's other close associates.
Definitely, Shivangi. Now, this is not the first time that this banned organization is plotting anti-India campaign. Many threats have already been given by Gurpatwant Singh Pannu, who is the leader of this banned terrorist organization, the Khalistani terrorist organization. And this pertains to the threats that were given before the Republic Day. Now, this comes as a very big achievement when the sleeper cells, the two sleeper cells who were arrested over the Republic Day threats. Now, threats were written and it's in connection with that. Now, in Delhi, in connection with the pro-Khalistani slogans that were written at two locations in Delhi before January 26. Delhi Police Special Cell have arrested two people here. The names, as you quoted very well, the two of them have been arrested. Now, one of them, the accused, was identified as Baljinder. He was an ambulance driver in Delhi, and also his colleague, his associate, that is Rohit alias Kirat, also he was arrested. Now, the arrests were made following an investigation into slogans like Khalistan Zindabad. Now, these were written before January 26. Now, these comes as threats. Now, this is not the first time that Gurpatwant Singh Pannu is threatening India, whether it's the Republic Day, whether it's about threatening Prime Minister Narendra Modi, whether it's about giving threats to the Ram Mandir. It has been a continuous, ongoing narrative of Gurpatwant Singh Pannu, where he keeps on threatening the Indian democracy, and he keeps warning. Now, you also should remember that he once warned Sikhs of not traveling in a particular airline. He was threatening that he would bomb that airline, and also he threats about bombing a cricket stadium and whatnot. So this comes as a very big achievement coming to the story. Now, Delhi police said that this was a very well-planned conspiracy to disturb the Republic Day celebrations by this banned organization, that is the SFJ, which is led by Gurpatwant Singh Pannu during the Republic Day. Now, the investigations reveal that the entire plan that was hatched in Canada, because there are many Khalistanis who are operating from the soil of Canada. And a close associate of Pannu coordinated the entire operation. And also Pannu allegedly lured the accused by offering a sum of around rupees 2 lakhs to carry out the entire act. Now, this comes as a major development and a major achievement where two sleeper cells have been caught. Over to you,
All right, thank you for getting us all those details. Shivam, I'll be coming back to you for more as we keep getting this update. The conspiracy was hatched in Canada. Let's move ahead, viewers, because